It is April 17th, and there is 7 riders today. We are at Pistol Hill, and we are going to take the Arizona Trail over to Colosso Cave, have lunch, and then come back on a bypass. So it won't be in and out. It'll be kind of like in, circle, out. So I will bring you along on the trail now. And here we go. It is warm today, and there is no breeze. So hopefully we'll have a little bit of a breeze pretty soon because it'll be a lot more comfortable. And I don't know if I am on Charo today. Anytime I am the drag, well, anytime I'm not the lead, I ride Charo because he's a lot more patient. Elwood gets too impatient at the back, and he gets way too personal with the horse in front of him. So here we go. We have Gina's our lead, and we have Yvonne, Kim, Nancy, Cindy, Jael, and Alita. So a nice group of ladies today. Palo Verdes are absolutely beautiful. To a very rocky part. I'm letting letting Charo make his own way wasn't exactly the best idea, but we got down. Okay, everybody stop. Your phone's on the ground. Gail, your phone's on the ground.
Let Alita come across. Okay, well I can come up a little bit. We got riders off.
No, we need to get Gail's phone. It fell on the ground. Cindy, can you turn around and encourage Achilles to go forward? Oh, she did it. I'll wait till you're back on your horse, Gail. Because I don't know what he'll do. Gail, which way is the best way to go? Right here? Over here on the right? Yeah? Okay. Oh yeah, that was definitely better. Right. Yeah, it has that break in it. Okay, so
I was just gonna go behind the tree.
what happens is he puts his tongue over the bit. So the girl has to get off and fix it. Sometimes he won't do it for a long time, and the other times he does it. Okay, we're at the first picnic area. They have tables, they have pit toilet, big barbecue grill.
Oh, I do, but I'm just saying.
Good boy, Taro. That's a noisy airplane. Okay, some of the ladies are going to get their pictures on by the Red Rock. Hey, Kim is really going to have we're gonna have a fun time. She's gonna take us to a cherry tree or something like that, and then go through cottonwoods and on the Arizona Trail. So I'm like, yay, that will be awesome. It'll be new way. Wash, and then we'll be at the Colossal Cave picnic area. Here we go. Yay.
Going for water.
He loves water. Oh my gosh. I know, buddy. You're thirsty, huh? Are you good? Huh? Yeah, you're good? Here, close off your chest a little bit. Yeah, close off your chest. Want some more water? Are you good? Okay. Lunch. A couple ladies, myself and Yvonne, charged our phone. We have a little solar charger, which I absolutely love. The old ones, you had to carry the wire to plug into it and then plug into your phone, but this one has 4 or 5 different plugs, so you don't have to carry all the wires. So anyway, it is really handy. It's solar, but I charge it at home all the time anyway, just in case I need it. You don't want to take for granted that it's going to work, but it sure is a nice one. So now we're going to go to the fairy tree and through the cottonwoods, so that will be absolutely fun. Off really nice. Look at this, we're in the shade, which is nice because we're going to be in the sun about 75% of the time going back, so this will be enjoyable. We are not on the Arizona Trail. We are on one of the trails, Colossal Cave trails, and we are allowed to be on them, just so you know. Okay, here we go. All kinds of birdhouses, remembering photos, a little town. Gail took pictures, so I'll be sure and put the pictures after this video. Okay. He's thinking about it. Come on, you're okay, buddy. You're okay. Yep. Wow, that was interesting. Okay, this is the end of the Arizona Passage. And when you get to Loma Alta, that is the beginning of Arizona Trail Passage 7. And this one starts at Zimmerman Trail and it goes all the way to Loma Alta. But we're not parked there, we're parked at Pistol Hill, so we don't do the whole trail. The whole Passage 6, I believe, is 20 miles. So it's quite a ways. You'd almost have to have somebody pick you up instead of going back and forth, because that'd be 40 miles, and that's just kind of rough. But anyway, that's what I wanted to tell you, that we are in the Passage 6 of the Arizona Trail. They have pulled off, so that's good. Thank you. Back to the trailers. Awesome ride today. Gina didn't lose anybody. I'm impressed. Good job, Gina. But it was a nice day.
Fancy, shiny.
Oh.